Are you ready to dive into a topic that's both personal and universally relatable? Today, we're exploring the idea of reclaiming the joy of cooking for those living with chronic conditions. Imagine being told that something you love, like cooking, has to be restricted or even abandoned due to a health diagnosis. That's exactly what I'm here to challenge. You see, when I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, I initially felt a sense of shame and self-blame. I thought I had failed somehow, but that's a common misconception. Managing a chronic condition doesn't mean giving up the pleasures of life, especially something as fundamental as food. And let me tell you, food is more than just fuel. It's an integral part of our identity and culture. For many, cooking is a creative outlet, a source of comfort, and a way to connect with others. So, when faced with a health condition like diabetes, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and restricted. But here's the twist: you don't have to give up the joy of cooking. It's all about adapting and finding a new approach that works for you. The problem with rigid meal plans and one-size-fits-all diets is that they often ignore cultural diversity and personal preferences. In Canada, diabetes disproportionately affects racialized and Indigenous communities, making Western-based meal plans even more challenging. Food is deeply intertwined with our traditions, and we can't ignore the cultural significance of what we eat. Now, let's talk about the influence of social media. With TikTok stars promoting extreme diets and picture-perfect influencers showcasing clean eating, it's no wonder people feel confused and pressured. But the solution isn't more rules and restrictions. It's about finding joy in the kitchen, embracing your cultural heritage, and seeking support from professionals who understand your needs. Personally, I believe that reaching out to loved ones and learning family recipes is a powerful way to reconnect with food. Imagine cooking your great-grandfather's cabbage rolls or mastering an omelette with your teenager. These moments create new memories and bring joy back into the kitchen. And if you've never found joy in cooking, I say it's time to give it a shot. The key takeaway here is that managing a chronic condition doesn't have to be a lonely, joyless journey. You have the power to adapt and find a way to enjoy food while taking care of your health. Whether it's seeking guidance from certified dietitians or exploring your local community's nutrition programs, there's support available. Remember, you're not alone in this. So, let's challenge the notion that diabetes management means a lifetime of restriction and shame. We deserve healthcare that respects our cultural traditions and celebrates the joy of food. It's time to reclaim the kitchen and make it a place of creativity, comfort, and connection once again.